Hey guys, Joe here. Just something that might be useful to some people with 3D printers or want to buy 3D printed stuff. I personally don't sell this. I just make it for my own personal use. But this one here is a repair kit. Looks like a popular brand you might know of. I put a leather thread on here, tape, and then inside of here you have your needles. I'm using some craft needles, some leather thread, and some duct tape. So that's how it looks without anything on it. Now, is it going to be as durable as the original model? No, because this is plastic. But as for personal use, it'll be fine for me. So here's the hole for you put the needles in. You can even print off good threads and everything. So, you know, everything works well. I just want to give you an idea. Hopefully, I'm able to shoot some more videos soon. My back's feeling a bit better. But I just want to throw this one out there in a little short video and show you possibilities. Thanks, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye.